Hi guys, welcome back to Food and Mood Creations. Today we're making a coconut lime cake. In this bowl is almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, and salt, and I'm just gonna whisk that to combine. Let's talk health benefits. Coconut milk contains phenols which can serve as an antioxidant. Antioxidants can prevent free radical damage. Free radicals are bad for the body and are associated with age-related dementia, cardiovascular disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Antioxidants can also delay aging, and consuming a glass of coconut milk along with antioxidant-rich foods like pecans or blueberries can enhance immunity and repair damaged cells. In this bowl is a cup of stevia, and I'm going to add the eggs, coconut oil, applesauce, lime juice, coconut milk, vanilla extract, lime zest, and whisk to combine. Let's talk about the health benefits of limes for a second. They contain high concentrations of vitamin C and flavonoids. This allows them to rejuvenate the skin, neutralize body odor, protect the skin against infections, and lighten the skin. If you apply lime juice or lime oil externally, it can remove dead skin cells, cure rashes, dandruff, and wounds. If you want to know more about the health benefits of limes, the link is in the description box below. Next, I'm going to add the almond flour and coconut flour mixture to the wet ingredients and whisk to combine. I'm gonna let the batter sit for 5 minutes so the coconut flour can absorb some of the moisture. This is how the batter looks after 5 minutes, and I'm just gonna pour it into a loaf pan lined with parchment paper. I forgot to fold the toasted coconut into the batter, so now I'm just adding it on top, and I'm gonna mix it into the batter. I baked the cake for 45 to 50 minutes until the skewer came out clean, and this is what it came out looking like. I let it cool for 10 minutes in the pan, then I placed it onto a wire rack to cool completely. This is sugar-free powdered sweetener, and I'm just going to add the juice of 1 lime to it and whisk to combine. There wasn't enough liquid to bring the frosting together, so I added a little bit of coconut milk. This is what the icing ended up looking like. If you want a thinner consistency, you can add more coconut milk to the icing, but this was perfect for me. So now I'm just gonna frost the coconut lime cake and garnish it with lime slices and more toasted coconut. This is what the final product looked like, and it was really good. If you want detailed instructions on how to make this coconut lime cake, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.